It's got a parrot, and we got the cage. It's right there. What's poppin', yo? What's poppin'?
Oh, your hair's in my ear.
Silly Lalo. My tia is gonna get a photo of.
What?
Sorry. I'm just so excited. I thought it was gonna fly away because it was like flying everywhere, but then my tia has some skills. She just got it out of.
Jenny, look.
Princess was barking a lot. This is a miracle. I can't believe it. They got a bird. My tia has skills.
I liked my mom's stuff.
And if you guys don't know, I'm still in the babysitting. My mom picked me up yesterday, but then I'm here back.
Look, hey, look, this is the thing. Janet is scared.
If you guys cannot hear that,
Oh my
it's a dog. He's scared.
Princess!
The dog has skills.
Go.
Yeah.
And he's just like, go.
Well, I just wanted to show you that, guys. They got a bird, and see you later. Peace.